everybody, I'm Lisa and this is my first video for Lisa's craft station. As it's my first video, I thought I'd just go for something simple. I had these two wooden 3D puzzles bought for me for Christmas, and they've just been sat in a box, and I thought about time I got them out. So like I say, I'm going to start with something simple. I'm just going to make one of these today, and I've chosen the golden snitch. So obviously Harry Potter fans will know what that is. So I'll just move that out of the way. So like I say, I had these for Christmas. Nowhere special, they're not expensive. I'm not sure where you can get them from now. These we got actually from the local Lidl store, and they were only a few pounds, and they come, as you can see, with the kit, which is all sealed up, and a little book which gives you basically the background of the game Quidditch, where the golden snitch is from. So just have a quick flick through. As you can see, there's some lovely pictures in here, and quite informative. I've had a bit of a read through it myself. I just never got around to actually making the puzzle itself. So as you can see, it's quite informative about the game and different things. It's got different ideas for like fancy dress, which is always a good thing for Halloween, I suppose, or fancy dress parties. So anyway, at the back it's got ideas on, once you've actually built the model, then you can always leave it just as it is or paint it. Now, I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but obviously this video will just be building it. So if at the end I decide I'm going to paint it, then I'll just create another video for that. So that's the book. So I'll just pop that to one side. So here we go, and we'll have a look at this. As you can see here, there was 4 different options. I have obviously the golden snitch and Aragog, the spider, but you also got the house elf. Oh gosh, I've forgotten the names now, but anyway, you've got a few different designs. So everything that we need to build is in here. So I'll just pop that out of the way. So first of all, we have the instructions. As you can see, it's mainly all in pictures, and then on the other side. So it's going to be quite a simple thing to build and won't take too long. So I'll just leave that there and we'll have a look at this. As you can see, it's just pressed wood. So I'll undo the packet and then we can probably see it a bit better. There we go, that's that, and gently come out. I don't know if you can see from that distance. Turn it the other way round. They're all actually numbered, so from 1 through 2, I think it's about 28, something like that. So obviously the numbered and the instructions follow on with that number. I've done things like this before in the past, and it's always the best thing to do is not actually take them all out at the same time, because obviously the numbers are on the actual board. So very, very gently, oh gosh, it's a bit stiff, very, very gently take them out. Yeah, so like I was saying, because the numbers are on the actual outside on the board, once you've taken these off, then you'll never know which piece is which, and it could take quite a while trying to get them sized up. So as you can see, we need number 1 and number 2, which goes in that way. So it just literally slides in like so. So now we're looking for parts 3 and 4. So I can see number 3 is there. Oh gosh. And I'm looking for number 4 now, which, sod's law, I cannot seem to find. So I should imagine it's not much bigger than this. Ah, here we go, there it is. So again, very, very gently push it out. Try and keep, again, things are starting to fall out, so keep everything in. So number 3 we'll put on next and just slide it down. Oh, just very, very stiff, you just have to bear with me. Don't want to snap it. There we go. So again, oh gosh, that's not very good. But one bit that's stiff and one bit that's not so stiff. So anyway, this is obviously the build up for the snitch. So I'm trying to find which way around that goes. So that goes that way, like that. Obviously, because of how the build is, if you do happen to put one thing on the wrong way, you can always just slide them back off again. It's not too hard. But once you've made it up, if you want to keep it as a model and paint it and everything, then it is possible to use PVA glue and glue all the pieces together, which is probably what I'll do once I've built it and I'm happy with it. So now I need number 5, just there. So again, there's 5, 6 and 7. There we go. Oh gosh, a bit stiff there, can't find the hole. There we go. So as you can see, it's starting to take, wrong way, it's starting to take shape. There's that. Right, and we want number 8. Just there. Alright, now the things are starting to go a bit wider. It's trying to remember which way round they are. So this is number 9. So as you can see from the diagram, the arrow, the cut there goes on that side, and then number 10 on top, and again in the same direction. As that, starting to take shape now, and as you can see, there's quite a design, like a bit of a design. Probably look better once it's completely finished. And so where are we? Number 11, which is there. Oh, so try and make sure I've got that the right way around. Yes, that's there. And number 12. And that goes, oh, yes, a bit awkward, and that goes, by the looks of it, goes that way. So I'm sure I'll see if I've got it the right way once it's all built. Then I turned it around, and it's still that way, so we have that there. There we go. And now 14 and 15. So 14, 15, and then turn that over to there. So looks like the snitch part is nearly finished. That goes there. There's that one. That goes. Oh, that goes there. And then we've got 18. Which again is that way. 19. Just have a closer look. Yes, that goes that way, and 20 on the top to close it. So, and that's the finished snitch. Bit of a design on it there. So now I've got to try, and we want 21, which goes in the other way like that, and I'm assuming it's supposed to lock in, but it's not wanting to play the game, and I don't want to break it. Oh, bear with me. So I may have to pause the video. Oh no, it's decided to go in that time. Oh, thank goodness for that. There we go, and that's the ball. And it's quite tight now, actually. It probably doesn't even need glue. But I suppose, yes, you could undo it all and put glue on it if you wanted it to be a bit more secure. So now for the fun part, how do we attach the wings? Now, as you can see here, we have 2 holes. There's one, and try and decide which way around they are. So there's that, slides in that side, as you can see, and then the other wing into that side. Bit of of a tight fit. Just give it a bit of a wiggle, but obviously try and be careful not to break it because it's... There we go. Let's see if that'll go in a bit easier now, where it's not wanting to play the game. And I don't want to snap it, so I'll try that again in a minute. Give it a bit of a wiggle. So for the base we need that little piece there, and that bit there. So like you can see, it's very simple to build. It's not rocket science, so to speak. So there's that. But yeah, I think it's more for the fact that I might actually decide to paint it, just to make it look a bit more like a Snitch rather than just a little wooden puzzle. So, and then that just presses into there like so. And then once I've got this wing on here, which does not want to go on at all, but I don't want to break it, but that would literally sit on the back in there like that, and it sits like that, as you can see. So yeah, you can. So there's that. Like I say, that would normally fit in that hole there, but it's a bit tight, so I'm going to have to play about with that. And then obviously I'll be back at some point with another video, and it'll all be together, and then I'll be painting it. Yeah, I think I'll definitely paint it. Oh, so, and that's that. I hope you've enjoyed watching this little build. If so, please give the video a like. And if you want to see more videos, I'll be doing the Aragog one of these, but I've got lots of other little crafting projects that I'm going to be videoing over the course of time. So yeah, please give me a subscribe, and I'll catch you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.